Good evening. We are back at the flat. We had a very long day today. We started early, and our first stop was Portobello Market. We've been there a few times. There's a lot of great stuff there, a lot of great food, a lot of interesting things to see. I think everybody was able to find something they were able to kind of bring back as a souvenir. We enjoyed going through Portobello. After Portobello, there were a couple other stores that Pami and Donna wanted to go to, and one of those stores was Liberty's. Liberty's is kind of a really, really old department store that's been there for a long time. Today was pretty much just shopping and eating. That was kind of the events of today. Tomorrow we're going to be going to church services and then visit the British Library. And after the British Library, I think we're going to have some downtime, maybe be able to do a few things. We're going to go to the key ceremony at Tower Hill. So that's going to be interesting. That's something we're looking forward to doing. We're going to go to bed relatively early tonight, get some rest, and we'll be checking in with you tomorrow.
Good morning. We are on our way to the train station to go to church services this morning. Then after services this morning, we're going to go to the British Library. We're going to have some time in between the British Library and I believe it's called the key ceremony.
Ceremony of the keys,
ceremony,
something like that.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing that at the Tower Hill. So we are making our way and we'll be shooting different footage and stuff throughout the day and kind of giving you updates throughout. So we'll see you later. So this crossing here is the famous Abbey Road, and you have tourists and stuff trying to take videos of them walking by, and cars will honk at them because they're in the way. And so yeah, there they go walking across, trying to get the Beatles iconic photo. There's some more. I'm gonna try to do it. All right, in the middle of the road.
Every time.
There we go. Yeah, really? You're trying to get in the door?
No, not me. Not me.
We're on our way to Tower Hill to see the key ceremony. Filming is not allowed, so we've enjoyed our day today. We've been to the British Library. We worshiped with the brethren. That was a joy. And so this evening we are going to end the day by going to Tower Hill. So we look forward to keeping you along for the journey, and we'll talk to you guys later.
A beautiful 65 bedroom, 3 bath for $200 a month plus water. So hurry, it won't be available long. Just call us here at Scam Rentals.